Right.
Okay? And I think the reason that he only did one term, it's got nothing to do with the insurrection or any of this Russia crap or any of that, right? It's got nothing to do with any of that. He got in there for the term to actually make everything the way it should be.
Yes.
And then that just makes it so that, they've got to come in and unfucking fix everything. Right? So they come in and unfix. I'm just rambling. I don't know. Right. Rest assured, I'm just as frustrated and pissed off as the rest of you. There you go.
Right.
Isn't that great? Wow. There we go. Well, it is that time. I want to thank the one and the only Hawkbox.
Yes.
Thank you for being here tonight, sir.
Thank you for listening and support the show. For the love of God.
Yeah, what he said. Louis, thank you for being here, sir. It was great having you.
It's just life, and I love doing it. I love doing these kind of stories anyway.
Good. Bill, thank you for being here tonight.
Thank you.
Absolutely great to have you. Yeah.
Finally!
Yes, you're out of here. Gilbert, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for being here, sir.
Thank you for listening and support the show for the
love of God. That's right. Tell the folks where they can find you on Twitter.
On Twitter, at Real Gilbert, ACP.
Perfect. And, of course, on behalf of myself, Chris Crash, Jesus in the big chair for you tonight, Biff Henderson and Jenny in the booth, and all the folks here at WSPC Radio Charlotte, we want you to have yourselves a great Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We'll catch you here for the Monday Mocha Monday, and maybe it'll be a little better. Right. I don't know. Have yourselves a good weekend. We'll see you Monday.